From time to time, the flipper will tell you that a certain amount of flips were blocked. You can reduce how often you get the flips blocked message to once every 2 hours by executing this command. You can click this message to get a sample of the flips that were blocked. This outputs the item name, the estimated profit, and the reason why it got blocked. This button opens the auction in-game. You can access the flip menu via the same icon as with normal flips. You can there see further details about why it was blocked. In this case, it's just a min profit. There isn't any more information about it. Besides clicking the message, you can also use the Cofl block command directly, either on its own, yielding you random samples of flips as before, or by providing a search value as an argument. Let's say I want to get all tigers. Then it shows me all flips containing the word tiger. Here we have another reason for blocking flips, which is the profit percentage, which is also displayed alongside the flip. Another common usage of the blocked command is to find issues with blacklist filters you added. You can click on this message in the flip menu to find exactly which filter prevented this flip from showing up. In this case, I added a filter to block anything that has a starting bid of more than 2 coins, which obviously doesn't make any sense. To find out more about how to manage the blacklist in-game, check out this video. You can also watch the full playlist or subscribe.